Hi, what's up? We're gonna unbox some capsule toys I got from Japan a while ago. So let's see. I got two of them. So let's figure out what these were. I thought they were pretty cool when I saw it. So this looks like a Eevee toy capsule. These are around like $5 each. So a little pricey, but yeah. Let's take a look at that inside. So it is a Pokemon. Let's see. Let's open it up. Let's look at other stuff first. So this is what it comes with. A Ditto impressions of all forms. So let's take a look at them. It is only in Japan. I'm sorry. Look how cute that is. And then we have that one. Here's the back from the Pokemon Center. If you ever go to Japan, go to the Pokemon Center. I am not even kidding. So I'm sorry. So yeah, if you have any questions, let's open it up. So let's see. Here's Umbreon, or Ditto. Ditto Umbreon. Umbreon. Let's see if I can have it to stand. Voila. Here's the Ditto. I'm not sure how a Ditto works. Does Ditto stand on something, or Ditto lie on something? Let's look at Ditto. Oh, Ditto stands on his legs. If he can. Barely. So yeah, he does. Oh, look at that. If I could get him to stand the fudge! Fairy godmother. Voila. That's pretty cute. I will put him by big boy doll Eevee. And he is not gonna stand. Is he standing? Okay. That's the first item. So let's look at the second one. This one I think cost more. I forgot how much. But it was a lot more in it. I thought this was a little cooler too. So let's see. Paperwork, and then it is a vending machine, a little vending machine. So here's what the capsule looks like. Looks like a Pokeball, sort of. Closes, sort of. So yeah, let's see. It comes with little glass tabs. Okay, or plastic tabs. Sorry. So let's put it over here. And then here's the vending machine. Top opens. So you can put stuff in it. It's cool. Let's see, you can pull this open. And then, oh my gosh, there's a little Pokeball. Oh. So it's actually capsule vending machine. Whoops. So look at that. Here's a Pokeball. Here's one of the capsules for you to print out. I wonder if you could open it. Oh my gosh, you could open it! That's cool. That's so cute. And you put stuff in it, and here, let's see what's in the bag. It actually comes out with capsules. That's cool. You can open the bottom. There's the bottom. And then let's get it back in, locked in. Okay, let's build it. So inside the bag, oh, looks like the bottom piece or something. Right here. Let's zoom. There's a bottom, these, look how these capsules are like so. Circular, and then there's one of the tops or bottoms. I think it's a bottom. Yeah, it looks like a bottom. Okay. Then there's something. I'm not sure what this is. Freaking Pokeball. Okay, and here's some stickers. Oh, look at that, some stickers. Pokemon Moon and Shy. Gotcha. And oh, look at that. One of the Pokemon. So, and I can't tell what this is. What is this? Looks like a sticker too. So let's see how this works. So Moon and Shine, Pokemon Moon and Shine. Let's stick it right there. It looks like it goes up front. Whoops. Wow. I really don't like doing these. Because I don't care. Okay, there's one. Let's figure out where the rest goes. I do not know where the rest goes. So this goes on the bottom. The bottom. Sticks like this. Oh cool, it has stands. So it stands there. So let's see. And then let's put this one on this one and figure out how to stand him. Or it. Pokemon. Them. Oh my gosh, this is even more of a pain. Yeah, I don't like stickers right now. Then, whoopsie. He is off, and I am gonna feel like I'm gonna rip him. And then voila, with all my fingerprints. Stick this somewhere, not sure. The fudge does this go? Back, side, what? Back, no. I don't know where that goes. Okay. So, and then that sticker's done. Oh, this one goes, oh I see, it goes on there. Wait. Voila. And then he should go right there, which is sort of dumb, but cool. Okay, you can't see. We'll look at that after. And then where does Catcha go? Oh, Catcha goes right there. So let's put Catcha over there. Voila. And then the other stickers go in these little things. So I'm not sure what Pokemon that is. The flying one. That bird one. And there's this one. So let's take this out. Put the other stickers on. And then two more. And let's see, another one. And then let's put them inside. They barely fit. Oh, might as well just stick them outside like that. There it is. Upside down, but yeah, there's one. Stick it in. There's another one. Put another one in. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I wish I would have these in Utah. I mean, America. Like, you really cannot find like these cute things in America, unless you want to pay like extra. I wonder, does the Pokeball open? No, the Pokeball does not open. Or I don't know how to use a Pokeball. I don't know how to use a Pokeball. And there's one extra. Do I have another case? Does not seem like it. So it's missing. It has one extra with one no case. So yeah, let's see how to put it together. Just random this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Close it somehow. Then voila, here's the somewhat finished. I still don't know what this is. I think it's a tattoo. Oh, it goes on the inside somehow, I think. Let me think. Or is it on the outside? Or is it on the inside of that? I'm so confused. Maybe it goes on the inside. See how it works. Drop those in. Put this somewhere. Come on out. Get it in there. And pull this out. I think this goes on the inside of the vending machine. And it's not coming out anymore. It's like, how does this work? So it closes like that. And you put this. Let's see what it says. Oh, fairy godmother. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Let's see. That's what it says. Does it go in the back or go to the... I think it goes inside. Okay, this is gonna be really hard because I forgot how. So it goes like that. So it would go like this somehow. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they have kids do these. Maybe this isn't for a kid. How in the fudge do they do these? Okay, I quit. Good enough. Yeah, look at that. That's so cool. And it's off, but damn it. Okay, it's fine. I mean, fairy godmother. So let's figure out. Let's Okay, voila! Done. It's done. Oh my gosh, that was hard. Okay. Let's take a look around. Pocket monsters. Gotcha. There's the little vending machines. So this is what they look like. Bigger in Japan. I don't know what that is. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's try it out. Boom. Capsule. Capsule. Whoop. There's another one. Capsule. And then there should be one more. Another capsule. And then another Pokeball. Last one. So let's see what the pamphlet says also. Oh, there's a Pikachu one. That's all the Pokemon they come with. Oh, sorry. And then there's more. Oh, I got that one. Oh, you put the Pokeball on top. Voila. I was like, oh, they have a use for everything. Now that's cool. Oh, there are instructions on this. Should have read it. Well, that's cool. You could stack. Oh, that's so cool. And then, oh, look at that. Instructions. But I got it. So, thanks for watching. I have a lot of cool other stuff coming up. So, if you want to watch, it's Totoro's and stuff. And they're pretty cool. And puzzles. Awesome puzzles, okay? Really awesome puzzles. Okay. See ya. Thanks for watching.